All right, so last week it rained G inches. This week the amount of rain decreased by 5%, and we're being asked to find the expressions that represents the amount of rain for this week. So last week was G. All right, so looking at A, we have last week minus 5/100ths. Well, that 5/100ths would only be 5/100ths of an inch, and that's not what it said it decreased by. It says it decreased by 5%. So this is not correct. Looking at this, we have G, which was last week. We're subtracting because it says decreased. This right here means 5% of last week. Well, isn't that what it decreased by? 5% of last week. So this one works. If we think about that double number line where we have 100%, it decreases by 5%. So that's going to take us to 95%. Here's our original. We're going to call our original G in this case, and this is our Y. Wouldn't this be Y is 95% of the original? And isn't that what this says? 95% of G. So that is true. This is 5% of G. So that's not the rain that fell this week. That is the amount of change we have. So that is the decrease. So that is not true. And then if we look at this, 1 minus 0.05, 1 minus 5/100ths equals 95/100ths. And then we multiply that by G. Well, that's exactly what this was. What this shows, so that works.